So rev.com is actually one of the best platforms, best known for transcriptions and captions, for basically for videos and transcribing audio and video into text, right? So, but most people don't actually know that this platform actually can, you can actually apply to get hired and then be able to help out with the transcriptions and the captions and actually get paid. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you rev.com freelance job. So basically you'll be able to work from home on rev.com. I'm going to be explaining this more in detail in this video. So if you're interested in that, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. And if it's your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and let's get straight into it. This is rev.com, one of the best platforms when it comes to going through for transcription services and captions for your videos, your movies and everything. So basically this is the services that they offer on the platform. So if you come down to the bottom here, you can actually see the place where it says freelancers over there. So once you open that, you'll be able to actually see that you can join freelance and work from home on Rev. So this is one of the best ways to make money online right now, and a lot of people have been doing this and they're earning some crazy amounts of money here. So when I mean crazy amounts of money, I mean if I just scroll down a little bit over here, you can see that if you join as a transcriptionist, you can actually earn anywhere from 30 cents to $1 per audio minute or per audio or video minute. So every minute that you are transcribing. And remember, with rev.com, it actually has like artificial intelligence where it just types out all the audio, whatever it is hearing, and then you just have to follow along and then basically make sure that what the artificial intelligence is typing out is actually correct, right? So you are listening and you're following along what it is typing, and you're making sure that you are following the rules of how the text should be structured and everything. But basically most of the work is actually done for you. You are just there to make sure that the text is correct according to what is being spoken out of the audio or out of the video, and if it is actually structured in the correct manner. So this is a crazy way to earn some money online, basically just listening to audio, listening to video, right? Listening to what people are saying on the audios, on the video. So it's really a great way to earn. And then you can also do the captions. So basically when it comes to captions, like right now on YouTube, as you're watching this video, if you turn on captions, you basically be able to see the captions at the bottom of the video, right? As I'm speaking, it'll be the words will be written out on the video, right? So that's the other service that rev.com offers, and basically you can get paid for doing that, right? So for listening to what the person is saying, and then making sure that whatever the artificial intelligence machine that they use to transcribe is actually writing the correct things and in the correct manner. So the AI already does the most of the job for you. You just have to follow along and make sure that it's actually correct. So this is why it is one of the easiest ways to make money online, as long as you just follow the guidelines and go through the training and actually pass it. So here on YouTube, you can actually search for how to pass this test, how to pass the rev.com transcription test, and then you'll be able to follow along those videos and be able to see how to actually get through it. That is just the easiest way to do it. Otherwise, if you want to try it on your own, it's also okay. They give you more opportunities, more than just one opportunity to do it. So recently, I know they've been not been accepting people due to the fact that they're actually full, because there were thousands and thousands applying for this. So if you're watching this video and if there's space, then you can just go through and try to also enter for this, because it's really a great way to earn some bit of money working from home, and it can actually grow into a full-time income. So it just depends on how you want to handle it. If you want to handle it as a side income, or you want to handle it as your mainstream of income, so it's all up to you. But basically it's a legit platform and it does pay out to people. So, and the sign up process is very easy. You just have to sign up, and then basically you'll be added to the waiting list if there's a waiting list by the time you're watching this. But as I said, right now there's a lot of people that are applying, so basically you'll be added to a waiting list, and then as soon as possible they'll review your registration and then let you know whether you have qualified or not. So that's basically how this platform works. So you'll be able to choose from thousands of work that is being put out on. So for people who are actually coming to you make use of these services, right? So that's where the jobs will be coming from. So the rev.com has made their reputation, and a lot of big companies actually trust them. So they're basically getting a lot of requests every single day, right? So you can be pretty much sure that you always have something to do on this platform almost every single day, right? actually, I think every single day you have more than one thing to do. So I mean, being paid anywhere from 30 cents to $1 per every minute, you can just see it, right? Even just from one video, maybe a 10-minute video, you can actually be able to generate anywhere from $5, anywhere from $3 to $10 for just a 10-minute video. So it's all up to you how you want to handle this and what is your daily goal of earning once you are approved on this platform. So this is just a quick video to show you and introduce you to rev.com for those who don't know about it. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to just share the video, like as well. I'll really appreciate that. But thanks for watching the video, and if you got any questions, you can always reach out to me in the comment section down below, or you can join our Telegram group where I can help you one-on-one. So thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.